English, Tagalog. English. Sister.
Sabi ko na nga ba yun, sasabihin ka na eh.
Girl. Small girl. Pabilin.
Best in acting program pala sige.
Sin. Little. Little Red Riding Hood. Maid.
Panggalina.
Ano yan? Rapunzel? First word pa lang yan. You. Me. Girl. Ladies. Barbie. I'm a Barbie girl. Barbie and Ken. Ano ba? And Ken. And Barbie and third word. Barbie and Chocolate Factory.
Barbie the Chocolate Factory? Bago yun na.
Barbie and Wonder. Wonder. Sipon. Gadgets. Magic one. Barbie and the Magic. Barbie and the Magic. Okay. 6 words.
Kalimutan ko sa list dyan eh.
7. Gangnam Style.
And the dancing shoes.
Barbie and the